Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. We are going to go over the electrical systems on the Model G toy hauler. Let's check it out. There's going to be two different types of power in your Model G. You're going to have 12 volt and 120 volt. You're going to get 120 from shore power, your inverter, or your generator. 12 volt you'll get from your batteries or your converter. A few things that run off your 12 volt system are going to be your lights, your slide outs, your awnings, your leveling, and then a few things that run off 120, your refrigerator, your microwave, your air conditioner. So up here in the front, I want to point out our two lithium 100 amp hour batteries that'll come standard on the Model G. And coming off each one, you'll see these little blue tethers. These are going to be able to power on and off your battery. So if there's something 12 volt that's not working, make sure these are turned on. So you're going to have two different battery disconnects. One is going to be a solar and one will be travel. If your batteries aren't charging, make sure that those disconnects are on. So just above your batteries, you have a 3000 watt inverter. That's going to take the 12 volts from your batteries and convert it to 120. So if you're going down the road, you need to keep your refrigerator running, you're going to turn your inverter on so it'll be powering off your batteries. Same with if you're boondocking somewhere, you can turn your inverter on, watch TV, charge your phone as well. There is a switch just inside the door located by the steps up to the upper deck that you can power it on. Off to the right is the 5500 watt gen that's going to come standard on all Model G toy haulers. When running, this will power everything that's 120 and charge your batteries as well. So you can run your air conditioners, your refrigerator, your microwave. This is dual fuel, so you can run on LP or gasoline. You have an on-off switch here, and you can also utilize the one control inside to fire this up. For any more in-depth information on this generator itself, you can refer to your owner's manual or our owner's hub. So just inside your baggage door is going to be the inlet for your 50 amp hookup. Down to the left, you're going to have a chase that you'll be able to run your 50 amp cord and be able to close all your baggage doors. You want to make sure that your cord is not wrapped up and it's extended fully. The Model G is going to come with 800 watts of solar on the roof, and that is used solely to recharge your batteries. It's tied to a Rich Solar DC to DC 50 amp charger. The nice thing about this charge controller is when hooked up to your truck, the 7-way is actually going to be charging it at 30 amps as opposed to typically 3 or 4. Your converter is going to be located behind your two sliding access doors in your pass-through. That's going to take your shore 120 volt power and convert it to 12 volts. So it's going to charge your batteries and run your 12 volt components inside the unit. If you're having issues with your batteries charging, there are two fuses located on the converter. That's a great place to start troubleshooting. So we're inside now. I wanted to point out the centralized location for the breakers and the 12 volt fuses. The location of this may vary depending on floor plan, but I wanted to point it out. So if you look below, push the top and open it up, you are going to have your 120 volt breakers on the left hand side and then all your 12 volt fuses over on the right hand side. They are labeled nice, so you shouldn't have to worry about what you're looking at.